Alright guys, so I'm going to explain to you here with the hookit system and me having the vacuum cleaner hooked up to this. It still keeps down some dust with the sandpaper I got on there, but the ones with the holes in it, guys, is what allows this hookit system to really work. Like, this is just and just so you know, like when I clean my pads, like instead of using, especially with a low like 600 grit sandpaper and stuff like that, they clog up real fast. So to get extra life out of them, I just take I normally do it over, the garbage can or something where the dust will fall in there, normally not over the work area that I'm doing. And I just clean that pad off, then I'm gonna get a little extra life out of that pad. But now as you see, this pad here don't have holes in it like this pad here. So that's why, like when I'm sanding here, you see all the dust. That's because the pads that I needed, with the shipping these days and everything, my local carrier, my local supply shop where I get most of my supplies from, they don't carry the ones with the holes in it here. So they used to, they don't have them now, and with the supply shortage, shipping or whatever, I just went ahead and brought the ones that they had in stock, and I will eventually go online and order me the right ones with the holes in it. So when I'm sanding, my hookit pad is holes all in this pad, so it'll suck all of that dust into the vacuum cleaner. But even with this being this way, it still sucks in around in this area here, so it's still not as much dust as when I don't use the vacuum cleaner at all. So just wanted to show you that there, guys. So Alright guys, so when I start with a fresh sanding pad, I like to try to get around the edges because I like for my paper to be new, so to cut this down fast without burning through, you know, to the bare metal. So when you got a fresh pad, you can clean these outside edges up quicker, and then and it'll kind of, the outside of your pad will kind of, you know, take care of that, and then all the inside of your pad is still fresh. Then you come in and get this middle part. So remember here guys, all I'm trying to do is get rid of the black, and once all the black guide coat is off of here, then that area is complete. Alright guys, so that's complete now. So, you know, I still got a lot more to do, but all the black is off of there. You see I didn't burn through. I didn't burn through on the corners here. I gotta jam the inside of this. So yeah, she's coming along good. All the black is off of there. She good to go now. So alright guys, like I say, clean your pads, and you know, like I said, I used to do all of this by hand, but the hookit system, and it really works good for this car because of the contours. It's not flat, so that hookit system really curves around, and wow, that panel, boy. I mean, priming, sanding, boy, you really just, oh, I see a little black right in this area. So yeah, once I clean it off, I'll see what areas I still gotta sand, but even though I see black in this area, it's still not low in that area. It's just the primer is not flat, it's still rough right in this area. So, you know, once I wipe this down, you know, all the panels, once I get done, you know, you wipe the car down, then you will notice your areas that you didn't get. So I'll finish this up guys, and then I can put the inside of this door panel in jam. So I'll be showing you that here too. Alright.